I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. The week kicked off with New Jersey making a bold move towards adult use legalization. The state approved proposals in the Senate and the Assembly, with the next step to send it to the full chamber for a vote. That market is expected to bring in $300 million in additional tax revenues for the state. We've got some new stocks trading this week. Dixie began trading on the CSE using the symbol DIXI, and Grown Rogue also began trading there with the symbol GRIN. It was a very, very busy week for earnings, so we'll get right into it. Cushco Holdings said its revenue jumped 177% to $52 million, but they had a net loss of $1 million. Charlotte's Web delivered revenue of $17.7 million. However, their net income fell slightly to $1.8 million. Their gross profits, though, increased 54% to $13.8 million. Green Thumb Industries reported that its revenue jumped 344% to $17.2 million, but they still delivered a net loss of $3.3 million. GW Pharmaceuticals reported revenue of $2.4 million. That missed analyst estimates. They had wanted $2.9. The company also reported a net loss of a whopping $79 million, but it wasn't all bad because they started the week saying they had positive study results on a phase 3 trial for Epidiolex. Canopy Rivers delivered net income in the quarter of $10.9 million. M. Hardeen's revenue increased 65% to $7 million. They had a net loss of $400,000. And Suniva reported revenue of $3.8 million, but they had a net loss of $6.7 million. We have some financial moves to go over. Cura Cannabis Solutions raised $75 million in a private placement. Altitude Investment closed its fund after raising $30 million. They have plans for a second fund in which they're going to raise $100 million. And finally, Green Gotham invested $15 million in LA's The High Note. And that's it for this week. I'm Deborah Borchardt reporting for the Green Market Report from Times Square.